Be strong and let your heart take courage. Wait for the Lord. Psalms 27:14. Life can get very frustrating and sometimes we run out of patience. But trust and believe I am clinging on to my God and I want to wait until he tells me to move. Je dis que sois patient. Dieu va faire le miracle. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a outfit of the week. So as you guys can tell, I paired off my favorite my favorite turtleneck. J'ai mis ce tricot ici avec les chaînettes de Paris. Je parle français. So I paired it off with my Paris necklace that I got for Christmas. And lately I've been liking jumpsuits. I don't know what it is with me, but I paired my jumpsuit up with my Gus tennis shoes. Le joking ici, ça se voit comme ça. Je sais pas, mais j'aime ça. So yeah, we're just gonna look good for today. I don't like to reveal a lot. I'm very modest. So everything that I wear that has like no sleeves or something like that, I always like to add on a shirt or something to cover to cover it up. And because it's still cold, I decided to go in with this fuzzy jacket that I got from Target. It's really nice. J'ai dit que je suis vraiment respect. J'aime pas que mes habits ça me montre mi polo la té. Je sais pas comment on peut dire ça en français. But yeah, for my second outfit, I had on this jumpsuit that I got from Paris. Yes, Paris. J'ai acheté ça à Paris. And I went over it and I decided to pair up this hoodie that I got from Zaful. If you haven't seen my Zaful review, I'll link it down below. And yeah, so I went in, got my hoodie. J'ai mis ce joking ici avec le tricot, c'est que j'ai acheté dans un magasin, ça s'appelle Zaful. Oui, c'est ça. So my third outfit, my last outfit, I went in and I paired it up with a hoodie that I got from Zaful as well. And j'aime danser, J'ai acheté ça aussi au Zaful. Cette pantalon ici, c'est Gabrielle Union. J'ai acheté ça New York and Company. The pants are Gabrielle Union. I bought it from New York and Company. And I made it plain and simple. Just something that I will wear, you know, for the week. Actually, I wore this to Bible study. So, yeah. I like the colorful hoodie. J'adore les couleurs dans ce tricot. The chaussures, the shoes, I got it from Target. The chaussures, j'ai acheté ça à Target, ici en Amérique. The jacket, I don't know why I added on the jacket, but I don't know. I don't really like this look with the jacket, but at the moment I thought it was cute. Cette jaquette ici, j'aimais pas, je sais pas, quand je me regarde, c'est pas vraiment joli, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's only 2 minutes. Sorry. I'll see you guys in my next video.